With Woodpecker, you can simplify the process of sending cold emails and automating follow-ups, making approaches to potential clients more efficient and productive. Woodpecker is essential for sales professionals, entrepreneurs, and agencies looking to expand their prospecting efforts and reach clients. Some frequently asked questions include: how does Woodpecker benefit businesses? Woodpecker offers cold email automation, advanced personalization, deliverability monitoring, and rejection protection to increase response rates and improve efficiency in campaigns. Can you segment the audience with Woodpecker? Yes. Woodpecker allows you to segment the audience based on specific criteria for more targeted and personalized approaches to leads. Is Woodpecker suitable for businesses of all sizes? Yes. Woodpecker caters to businesses of different sizes, from small startups to large corporations.